You're going outside to get pillows?
Yeah, next door. Oh my goodness.
What's happening? This is vlog. Day 1. This is Cowito. What? Tell me what's the problem?
The only thing we have working against us right now is physics.
That's not important.
Aerodynamics, gravity. This is the vehicle.
This isn't full, so it can be full. We just left our room, and thank goodness that we still have jacket, backpack, which he thinks is going to ride right here. So did both your feet fit?
You know, Rolly, heads up, thank you. Love that part. Mi amor is my wife, my life. You know, thank you for thinking that mopeds and, you know, 4-door cars are interchangeable. We can just throw anything in the trunk and junk in the trunk. Because this is an adventure, and I love it.
Are we going to be able to do that? Can you do that? Can you drive like that?
Okay, let me go.
He's got this. We got this.
What's that god awful sound when I brake?
What? I didn't hear it.
Okay, as long as it's not a... It's like a... It sounds like a rope.
That doesn't sound good.
I thought maybe it was a...
No.
I'm gonna pop a wheelie.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
To 600 miles of this.
748 kilometers.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's make it to the Texas barbecue and we'll be homeless from there. This is the first time I actually feel homeless.
Alright, we're out. Look at this. This is what you find just driving down the side of the road. That's amazing. I don't know if we've talked about how everything we do is a wing and a prayer. Like it's like the best laid plans of mice and men completely go awry. It's totally us. I feel like maybe at this age, like you want to wing it. You want to wing it. You want to just be like, okay, wherever we end up. But you know what? Like, we don't have enough stuff. My back hurts. I know Cowito's hand hurts. But I love him.
Crazy.
I'm crazy for you.
I'm crazy for you.
We got this.
We got this.
So, we'll see where we end up. I love you, Cowito.
Love you.
You're doing so good.
You're doing amazing.
Mwah.
You're a trooper.
Mwah.
I mean, I think the number of people who I could drag to Thailand and drag on this Mae Hong Son loop on a 125cc, first of all,
We don't even know what we packed.
it didn't even matter because, like, I'm talking about the only person in the world who I could drag would be the one who dragged me here. It's like, we're in it together. That's all
We're
I
in
know.
it together.
Yeah.
It's true.
That
Okay,
is-
let's find out where we end up.
Okay.
You ready?
Oh, poop. Hey, I need help.
Okay. Listen, he got stuck.
Help me out.
He got real stuck. Okay. As soon as you get to a place where you can stop, I'll use my foot and push that back in. Here, I can do it now. Here.
No.
Whoa. Hold on.
Okay.
Look at this. We made it to the national park.
National Park.
We're on our way
Welcome.
to the highest point in Thailand. You ready?
Himalayas.
Himalayas. It's the ridge of the Himalayas. What? We're doing it. What? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The beautiful things that you find on the side of the road. See Buddha like way up there? He just...
No.
Wow.
Is this what happens when you hop on a bike with
Love my
all your
life.
luggage and the love of your life, and you just Mae Hong soup, Mae Hong soup, Mae Hong.
We're gonna call it that from now on. Mae Hong Soup.
I'm hungry. It's late in the day. It's almost sundown.
You are so crazy.
I'm gonna pull up and see what's up.
We're making it. We're driving through. It's happening. I'm so excited. So we just found this place. We have this 2-bedroom, but we got it because this little port. Look at this view. Look at this view. What is happening here? Oh, Callie, though I was gonna help you. I'm just trying to video. Yeah, so here's our little place. It's a little bamboo-esque. But it has a water kettle, which is good because then we can have, and it has its own bathroom, which is very important to me. I mean, I'm sure very few people have been here in a real long time. For less than $15, we have a 2-bedroom that we'll never go in. And we have this incredible view where we can have our coffee in the morning. Look at this. What is happening here? Look at those beautiful flowers down there. Look. Look at those beautiful flowers. What is happening?
So it's up to me to photo document this because Mia Morris is just like so happy to be out in nature in the mountains that she's just like,
it. I'm so excited.
can we just, she's like, oh look, puppy, 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 puppy. So now we are currently at this place in front of this view with this lady serving us.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
In front of this river. Our kitchen. Sawadi.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Salad.
Papaya salad.
Yes. Yes.
Come, Kai.
ค่ะ
Oh, it's
I just
delicious.
saw you make that.
And they have, and this is the most. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, taro.
Then I don't think we need gloves anymore, but I think finally there you see gloves. Finally, I wish we
You
knew
need
what
taro?
ketchup mayonnaise looked like, cause no. But I love ketchup mayonnaise. Look at all these cords you could have, Calito. Look. This is
Can I get some?
This
Can
is-
we get
no.
this on sale.
no.
Get some.
What is this? What they got here? Hong Kong. What's that? Let's have a tiger on it. That looks serious right there. I think those are fried beans. Look, there's little tiny mackerel.
Fried sand dollars.
Look,
Look, fried minnows. Fried anchovies.
in their bag.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Oh, look, you want to be on camera? Oh, look, you need just some lovings. Can we buy him a treat?
Like what?
I don't know. What does he eat? What does he eat? Him. I just want to give him something. There's nothing to give you. Because you know why? Because Thai food is spicy. It's spicy. Hi. Oh, look at your beautiful eyeballs. Yeah. And at the end of the night, you get to stare at these big, beautiful stars in the middle of a national forest in the middle of Thailand. You're going outside to get pillows?
Yeah, next door. Oh my goodness.
What's happening? It's the best Christmas ever.
Oh my
Look how
gosh.
cute they are. What the? How did
What
they
is
do-
happening? What?
I'm so happy. Oh my god.
They're running at each other.
What? How do
Oh
we
my
get puppies
gosh.
outside the
The
door?
one on the left looks like a tiger.
Oh my god. You think we can take them?
Oh wow. Oh no. No, no. Oh no. Did you see that? This is reality? Oh, that's bad. You okay? Are you crying? Are you crying? Or is that freaky? What? You know words?
Both.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, pups. Okay, come on.
Close the door.
Okay.
No.
That was a Himalayan range of emotions, wasn't it? You were way up and then way down.
That's not even fair. I feel like since took all the toys away from me. That's not fair. Don't go out there anymore.
I have to get my phone.
No.
Oh.
No. Kelly,
Oh.
don't. No. No.
I think he's eating his eye.
He's probably licking it because he knows he's full of germs that's hurting him.
Actually, I have to get my iPhone. I do. It's out there time-lapsing the moon.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Yeah.
Damn it. Can it be a long time from now?
Okay, yeah.
That's too much.
What I can do is when I go out, I'll move the
puppies?
house mat.
What? So
'Cause
because it smells and it's
that-
their place board and they're gonna go someplace else?
That house mat, the welcome mat, that's like the dog bed. For them, it's a warm spot. It's warmer than the wood.
That was painful.
Yeah.
Cowito.
Yes. I love you.
I love you.
Will you marry me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is so... Are you ringing the bell?
Yeah. Just let them know we're coming. Brown bacon. Follow us. We're coming. We're global. We're worldwide.
I can't get any of the... I can't get any of this.
Oh! Shit, we almost... Ah! Pothole. Oh god, I'm gonna go uphill.
I can't get any of it on video. My arm is not long enough. This is so funny. What is happening?